Good morning, traders. This is John Kennedy with RJO Futures here in Chicago to give you a brief recap of the status of the morning grain markets. All three grains are trading slightly down here today. Corn trading about 440 and 3/4, about down 2 1/4 cents. Soybeans at about 13.20 half, down about 5 cents overall, and wheat at about 586 and a half, down about 1 3/4 cents. There have been some rumored cancellations of soybean exports to China. Nothing's been confirmed, and that is a market where the rumors of cancellation and buys tend to drive the markets day to day. So there's nothing confirmed on that, and we'll just have to keep our ears to the ground to see if it comes to fruition. Wheat has been steady after a large drop in the U.S. carryover stocks announced yesterday by the USDA. Turning first to the export numbers released yesterday AM, all three came in above expectations. Soybeans, as has been the norm, were well above expectations, about 57 million bushels. Corn came in as well, very strong at about 27.4 million bushels, and wheat as well came in slightly above the upside of expectations, about 16.4 million bushels. Turning to the USDA report from yesterday, exports really drove the demand revisions higher that were announced by the USDA, significantly so in corn and wheat. Also higher, but to a lesser degree, in the soybeans. That said, the beans are really there. We have world record stocks out there. World record U.S. plantings and weak demand from China. So all three of those point to the potential for some real bearish moves, but it remains to be seen. Once again, we're early. Also internationally, Brazil has cut some of its corn crop estimates. There have been some weather concerns down there with dry periods. That said, it's still well above the USDA numbers. Australia has raised its wheat crop estimate. Something to keep in mind as the wheat market trades a bit steadier here in the U.S. The aforementioned dryness in Brazil should be alleviated there's been some increasing rain down there, but keep in mind that the selling for Brazilian farmers remains slow, and it has been the case. If that were to pick up, it could significantly, obviously, affect all the world markets in soybeans. Keep in mind that futures and options may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all traders. Until the next time, from Chicago, this is John Kennedy. Have a great day.